Hey everybody, welcome back to an episode on Mighty Mall Shop Creations. Today, I'll be showing you my updated progress on my 1959 Cadillac convertible, my monogram. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so first up we got the chassis. Now, I got some pretty good progress on this. As you can see, I used Tester's hand paint to paint the gas tank and the exhaust, and I also hand painted it with this copper color to give it a little bit of a rusty effect, because nothing's super clean. As you can see, I wired the engine from the distributor to the engine. This is my first wiring job that I've ever done on an engine before, other than my 1/16th scale 57 Thunderbird. So I am very happy with how this turned out. Next up, we have more stuff. We got the bench seat for the front. I decided to use a bench seat because I thought it looked best. As you can see, the pink plastic is shining through a little bit, which it's kinda annoying to paint white over such a vibrant color. As you can see, I painted the hood as well. I'm gonna have to do a third coat on this, because as you can see, this black strip here, I primed it black because I thought it would make the pink a little bit darker, because when I sprayed it, I realized that it was super light pink. On the topic of body pieces, we have the Caddy. Yes, amazing. So what I did, I scribed out the door panels so they were a little bit deeper before I painted it. I wet sanded the body before I painted it with primer. Again, I did black primer, that's why it looks a little bit hazy with black, I guess. Yeah, you can really see it on the hood. I think it's going pretty well. A couple more coats of the pink and should be on its way to being finished. Lastly, we have our wheels. Bam! We got the sweet Cadillac wheels. Now this is what it looks like before and after. I will be blackwashing these. I mean, they kind of look pre-blackwashed because the chrome molding is so deep. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss an upload from me. I will be doing more updates like this, and you definitely don't want to miss out on some videos that are coming up, such as an unboxing that may or may not be a Johan kit. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.